Alright, probably going to end up needing both hands for this, but I thought I'd give myself a little challenge at least in trying to climb it. This is the part where it gets tricky. No lie. That was probably the scariest part when I was going down. All right. Huh. Hey, Pipe. It keeps on going. All right. Pipe to pipe, pipe to pipe. Huh. All right. Not so bad so far. Huh. Oh my God. I think we'll be living hysterically when I realize I'm not breathing on this video. All right. All right. If I'm not mistaken, that is the mountain where I saw the Griffith Observatory from. I am not recording all the way up there.